Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have 21 mockup bundle in PSD file and size is 6.1 plus GB with no password. And go to my website www.sherigraphics.com and click on mockup PSD. You click here and you see 3 bundle is here, 3 here and 3 here, 10 and here is 10, second is 21. So barber cosmetic branding, click wait here for 30 seconds and you can download. Amazing. Here is, you click on here for frames, poster, photo mockup, click here and you see in the file size is 505 MB and you still 30-second wait here. These files for Photoshop CC 2018 or CC plus, anyone. Food market branding mockup, and second is music CD cover. Amazing. Click here, you see file size is 610 MB. Wait for downloading 30 seconds. Mockup iPhone 6 collections. Here is 344 MB. All files are PSD for Photoshop CC. And last is Mockup MacBook Pro mockup set. 100 MB. You wait here 30 seconds. I hope this data useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.